So 2025, huh? Still debating which PHP framework to use.
Yeah, it's a classic question, Laravel or CodeIgniter.
Right? It's like the Coke versus Pepsi of the PHP world.
Exactly. And the right choice really depends on, what you're building.
So let's break it down. Which one should we be reaching for in 2025? First impressions matter, right? How easy are these frameworks to pick up, like, initially?
CodeIgniter is definitely the simpler one to learn. It's like lightweight, less opinionated.
So good for beginners, then.
Absolutely. Laravel has a steeper learning curve, but it's worth it in the long run, I think.
Because it's more powerful?
Exactly. It has more features built in, but that also means, more to learn.
Let's talk features. What does Laravel bring to the table that CodeIgniter doesn't?
Laravel has a ton of built-in tools. Routing, templating, authentication. It's full stack framework.
Full stack meaning?
It handles both the front-end and back-end development. CodeIgniter is more bare bones.
So you have to build more yourself with CodeIgniter?
Yeah, you'll need to pull in libraries for things like authentication, more work up front.
What about when your project starts to grow? Which framework scales better, do you think?
Laravel is designed for scalability. It has features like queues and caching built in.
So it can handle more traffic?
Definitely. CodeIgniter can scale too, but it requires more effort and, optimization.
So Laravel is the better choice for larger, more complex applications?
Generally, yes, but CodeIgniter can be faster for smaller projects due to its lightweight nature.
Security is always a concern, obviously. How do these frameworks stack up in that regard?
Laravel has built-in security features like protection against cross-site scripting, XSS, and SQL injection.
That's good to know.
CodeIgniter also has security features, but you might need to implement some yourself.
So Laravel is a bit more secure out of the box?
Yes, but both frameworks require you to follow security best practices, of course.
What about support? If you get stuck, which framework has a better community to turn to?
Laravel has a huge and active community. Lots of tutorials, packages, and support forums.
That's a big plus, definitely.
CodeIgniter's community is smaller but still active. You might find fewer resources, though.
So Laravel has a more vibrant ecosystem then?
Definitely. It's easier to find help and pre-built solutions for Laravel.
Let's talk about how these frameworks handle the front end. What kind of templating engines do they use?
Laravel uses Blade, which is powerful and flexible. It lets you create reusable templates.
And CodeIgniter?
CodeIgniter doesn't have a built-in templating engine. You can use PHP directly or integrate a third-party library.
So Blade is another advantage for Laravel?
Yes, it makes front-end development easier and more organized, for sure.
What about database interactions? How do these frameworks handle that kind of stuff?
Laravel has Eloquent, a powerful ORM that makes it easy to work with databases.
OM meaning?
It lets you interact with your database using objects and classes instead of writing raw SQL queries. CodeIgniter has a simpler query builder.
So Eloquent is more convenient?
Yes, it simplifies database operations and provides extra features like relationships and migrations.
What about building APIs? Which framework is better suited for that kind of thing?
Laravel has excellent writing capabilities and makes it easy to create RESTful PIs.
RESTful meaning?
Yeah, it's a way of designing APIs that are easy to use and understand. CodeIgniter can also be used to build APIs, but it requires more manual configuration.
So Laravel is more API friendly out of the box?
Yes, it has features like route caching and API authentication built in.
Thinking long term, which framework is easier to maintain, you think?
Laravel's structure and conventions make it easier to maintain large projects.
Conventions meaning no.
It enforces a certain way of doing things, which makes the code more consistent and easier to understand. CodeIgniter is more flexible, but that can also lead to inconsistencies.
So Laravel is a better choice for projects that will be maintained for a long time?
Generally, yes. Its structure and features make it easier to keep the code organized and maintainable.
What about job opportunities? Which framework is more in demand in the market?
Laravel is definitely more popular in the job market. More companies are using it, so there are more job openings.
That's a big factor for a lot of developers, I'm sure.
Yes, learning Laravel can open up more career opportunities. CodeIgniter is still used, but it's less in demand.
What about getting your project online? Which framework is easier to deploy, like to a server?
CodeIgniter is generally easier to deploy because it's lightweight and has fewer dependencies.
Dependencies meaning?
It requires fewer external libraries and configurations. Laravel can be a bit more complex to deploy, especially on shared hosting.
So CodeIgniter is a better choice for similar deployments?
Yes, it's easier to get a CodeIgniter project up and running quickly.
So Laravel for power and scalability, CodeIgniter for simplicity and speed. Got it.
Exactly. It really comes down to the specific needs of your project, doesn't it?
That was a great discussion. Thanks.